Hi, and welcome to the Jelvix channel. Today's hot topic is Google Dreamix AI, another groundbreaking AI-powered solution that disrupted the content creation community. And the Jelvix team couldn't stay beside the hype. As soon as the first post about the Dreamix release leaked into social media, Jelvix wanted to learn more about it right away. AI-generated text-to-video technology, bringing to life any image or written idea. How much cooler could it possibly be? Let's dive into the details. We're Jelvix, a software development partner for industry leaders. We post weekly videos on tech in 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, use the Super Thanks feature to support our channel so we can deliver more great content. And make sure to watch till the end of the video to see the entire landscape of currently available AI text-to-video solutions that you can use right now. So the first question is, when did it appear? Google announced Dreamix in February 2023. However, no further news about it has been detected since then until now. Apparently, the technology is still at the active stage of its development. If you're wondering whether you can start using it right now, the answer would be no. Dreamix is not currently publicly available as it's still under development, and Google has not yet announced any plans to release it to the public. So that brings us to our next question, which is, how does the technology work? Shortly put, Dreamix works by using a type of machine learning model called a diffusion model to generate videos. Dreamix first starts with a noisy video and then gradually removes the noise and adds in new information based on the text prompt or image that the user is provided. This led the Jelvix team to another question. How accurate is the output? As Google claims, Dreamix is able to generate realistic and accurate videos, especially for simple tasks such as changing the background of a video or adding new objects. Dreamix edits the video while maintaining fidelity to color, posture, object size, and camera pose, resulting in a consistent video. However, the accuracy of results may vary depending on a number of factors, including the quality of the text prompt, the image resolution, and the complexity of the video. Now, the next question is quite practical. How can Dreamix be used? Well, it's a versatile tool that has the potential to be used in a wide variety of cases. From a filmmaker who uses Dreamix to create a realistic CGI character for a movie, to a marketing company making personalized videos for different customers or video tutorials for its partners and employees. Answering to the next question on whether Dreamix has any limitations. Dreamix may have difficulty generating videos that are realistic in terms of physics and motion, facial expressions, body language, lighting, and shadows. Now, depending on the dataset that it's trained on, it might also be biased towards certain groups or perspectives. For example, if Dreamix is trained on a dataset of images that are mostly of white people, it may be more likely to generate realistic videos of white people than people of other races. Here's another important question. Can Dreamix take a dark turn? Dreamix might pose several safety and ethical challenges and risks of misuse, such as generating deepfakes, propaganda, and misinformation. There might also be privacy risks associated with the use of the solution, since Dreamix is trained on a massive dataset of text and images, and this dataset may contain personally identifiable information. Last but not least, we at Jelvix wondered if it's currently a one-of-a-kind solution. Well, there's actually a whole list of other quite powerful players in this domain. Check them out. Actually, we have a review of Make a Video on our channel. Watch it for some insights. Also, support us by liking this video and leaving a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Bye for now.